Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the system correctly. With the ignition in ACC or on, make sure any navigation SD or USB is noted and removed for backup. This preserves maps and settings. Next, disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to avoid interference, then perform a soft reboot of the head unit using the menu or a small reset pin. Doing this clears temporary glitches and forces the GPS module to reinitialize, which often restores satellite lock within a few minutes. Once done with the reboot, you'll refresh the GPS data. Go into the GPS diagnostics and clear assisted GPS, ephemeris, or almanac entries so the receiver downloads fresh satellite info. Make sure the head unit firmware and map files are up to date by connecting to the internet. Use your phone's hotspot if the car lacks a connection, because outdated firmware can break positioning. Then move outdoors with a clear sky view and let the unit sit for 5 to 10 minutes to acquire a reliable satellite lock. You finish by confirming hardware and settings. Inspect the external GPS antenna connection behind the dash or trunk. Tighten the SMA/MCX connector and check for corrosion or damaged cable that attenuates signal. Test the navigator in multiple locations to rule out local interference and view signal strength in the diagnostics menu. If you still have no fix, perform a factory reset only after backing up or swap in a known good antenna. These steps solve nearly all persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.